Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making my go-to moist chocolate cake. It's rich, soft and super easy to make. You will need just one bowl with all the ingredients in it. So make sure you watch till the end because in this video I'll be sharing a simple 3 ingredients condensed milk chocolate sauce as well. The full recipe will be given in the description down below. So let's get started. Here in a bowl I'll be sieving in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To it, I'll be adding 1 teaspoonful of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Sieve all these ingredients well. Now here I'll be adding 1/4 cup of fine granulated sugar. Mix well using a whisk till everything is fully combined. Here I'll be adding my eggs. In this recipe, we'll be adding 3 eggs. I'm adding 2 eggs right now and 1 we will add at the end. Now I'm adding few drops of vanilla essence, half a cup of oil. If you don't want to use oil, you can definitely add half a cup of melted butter. And here I'm adding 1/3 cup of condensed milk. Beat all these ingredients well halfway through. Now here I'll be adding my 1 last egg. Beat well again till you get a lump-free batter. And here our batter is perfectly ready. Scrape down the sides using a spatula and fold in gently. Now here in my 8-inch round mold lined and greased with butter paper, pour in your batter. Tap your mold a few times before baking it. Now we will bake our cake in a preheated oven at 175 to 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until done. While our cake is baking, we will make our amazing chocolate condensed milk sauce. Here in a bowl, I have half a cup of dark chocolate chunks. To it, I've added 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Melt it in the microwave for a few minutes. Mix well. While your chocolate sauce is still hot, we're gonna be adding 1/3 cup of condensed milk. Give it a good mix again till you get a smooth, shiny chocolate condensed milk sauce. And just look at the sauce, how glossy, shiny it looks after adding the condensed milk. And it tastes super amazing. Here our cake is perfectly ready and out of the oven. While our cake is hot, demold your cake. Remove the butter paper gently. Now we will put our cake back into the cake mold. Here I will poke holes on top of my cake while my cake is still hot. Once that is done, I'll add my chocolate sauce right on top. If you want your cake to be filled with chocolate sauce even more inside and out, you can definitely double your chocolate sauce recipe. Spread your chocolate sauce on all the sides of your cake. Tap it a few times and let it set at room temperature. Here our cake has completely cooled down and our chocolate sauce has been set on top. And here my cake has been cooled down completely. I just can't wait to dig in. So let's have a bite and see how it turned out to be. Just look at how the chocolate is oozing out from the inside and how super moist it looks. Oh my god, you guys, it tastes super amazing and so good. The chocolate sauce is just elevating the flavor of this chocolate cake. I hope you guys enjoyed making this cake with me today. Please do give it a try and share with me your feedback. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please mention it in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer everyone. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.